and Josef Newgarden just won his second Indianapolis 500.
Well, how great to see that celebration down there for Josef Newgarden in pure emotion. Alan, what a show. I don't know what else you can say about, but what a finish after all day long. And then
look at that. There was a great final lap till the end, and in the end, Newgarden repeats as winner of the Indianapolis 500. And you know what that means? He gets to drink the milk.
Podium for all the celebration here. Coming up.
There he is in Victory Lane.
Tony Tanan talking with Papa.
So there he will be over there in Victory Lane in a moment. He'll have the
race. Brilliant, so close.
A brilliant race is right. Here's the unofficial results coming up on the video boards.
And these are the
Josef
unofficial
Newgarden,
results of this
and there's
race.
Connell Ward, Dixon, Rossi, Pillow, Scott McLaughlin.
Nice
6.
top 5 for the points leader, Alex Pillow. But Newgarden is back in the saddle now in the points.
Penalty early in the race. Santino Fuji on the day 3 is he can't save, recovering from early difficulties. Ninth place for Connor Daly was 10th. Carolina from Ken Road on the pace laps.
That was an incredible finish.
And Christian Rasmussen will finish in the 12th position.
Shout out to Santino Ferrucci with his 8th place.
Kyle Larson raced pretty well today. Kyle Larson did well.
23rd consecutive top 10. That's pretty incredible.
I see a great deal of Kyle Larson.
Record-setting day. Glad you're with us.
It's the first time in a long time since somebody's repeated as Indy 500 winner.
Looking at the finish of the 500 since 2017, it was a tough go at the beginning of the day, but in the end, it was a thriller. 8 cautions, 47 laps, 16 different drivers, record 16 different drivers led, 48 lead changes on the day, and the last of them on lap number 200. As Josef Newgarden got back to the top spot, back to the checkered flag first.
Let's go to the video boards, folks. Let's watch this final lap. This is the backstretch.
Look at this last lap right here.
Here comes Newgarden with a serious run.
He had a serious run to the outside and then he took it. And he ran away with it.
Makes it stick.
Josef Newgarden is your winner of the 2024 Indianapolis 500.
That was a move, wasn't it?
And look at him celebrating just before he crosses the stripe. But he did it again.
Is a 2-time winner of the Indianapolis 500.
He was a 2-time champion of the series, and now he's a 2-time Indy 500 winner.
We'll get all the traditional winning ceremony coming up in just a moment.
In just a moment. Just a moment, we're going to see this man right here, Josef Newgarden in Victory Lane. There he is in his car, but he's going to get the Boyd Warner Trophy, and he's going to get the drink.
Roger Penske, this is how the captain saw the finish.
His 20th, Roger Penske's 20th Indy 500 victory. Congratulations. And there he is, Josef Newgarden, the 2017-2019 NTT IndyCar Series champion, and now a back-to-back winner of this big race of the Indianapolis 500. He's now in Victory Lane, right over there. There he is in Victory Lane. And he steps out of his car. There's the trophy. There's his child. What a beautiful young man. title award. That was a great final lap, to say the least. You can't. Yeah, that was a great finish. Look at that. They were battling for the lead on the last lap. Yeah. He had a run on the outside, and then that's how he got it. No, he had the draft on the outside. That's what gave it to him. He made a pass to the outside, and then he got it. He won the race. He's a two-time champion of the series. Paddle award. He did. It was a drag race between those two in the last lap. That's incredible what they did. And this is why IndyCar is the greatest motorsport series in the world. It's way better than Formula One, and it's way better than NASCAR. There's your proof right there. NASCAR, well, I didn't realize NASCAR was garbage at the time, but now I know. Well, NASCAR still had the popular stars like Dale Jr. at the time. And there's the ring. He's going to wear it in a second, and then he's going to drink the milk. There he is. Where's that milk? Where's that milk?
He's got the wreath. There's the Borg Warner trophy.
There's the trophy.
And the traditions and the symbols of victory at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway.
There's the milk.
Here's the milk.
There it is. There it is. There it is. There's the milk. Unbelievable. Congratulations. Yeah, that was beautiful. Look at him. He's like, let's go! To his fans on Instagram. Josef Newgarden. He was a two-time NTT IndyCar Series champion. He won the championship in 2017 and 2019. And now he's a repeat champion of the Indianapolis 500. No one has done it in the 21st century. This is the first time in the 21st century that somebody has repeated at 500 champions. I thought Alex Palou was going to be in there. I thought Colton Herta was going to be a favorite. He was the favorite until he crashed. Colton Herta had that crash, remember? Yeah, and he passed so many people. He looked like the favorite to win the race. I thought the odds were against Newgarden earlier on. I didn't think he would win 2 in a row, but he did. Josef Newgarden is one of my favorites. He's one of my favorite drivers too. I respect that man to death. He's a humble young man. He's a nice gentleman. Everyone's getting a sip of the milk. And there he is in victory lane. Congratulations to Paddle Award, your 2024 Indy 500 winner for the second consecutive year.
Another symbol of victory in Indianapolis. He's got the rain.
And it's about to rain in a moment, guys. We timed this one perfectly. And now, but the announcer said it's gonna rain. Get out of here. But yeah, congratulations. As we sign off from the Indy 500, this is El Meister saying, good night, guys. This was a great race. And this is proof as to why Indianapolis 500, or IndyCar, is the greatest motorsport series alive right now. Way better than NASCAR. Way better than Formula One. There you go. Congratulations to Josef Newgarden. There's his winner's cap right there. There's his winner's cap.
Time for the hat dance.
He's got the hat dance.
All of the sponsors.
There's his cap.
Indianapolis 500-mile win.
And there's his ring too.
If you're around the speedway,
Congratulations to
the
Medal
various stands, I know it's been a long day,
Medal
but
Award
you
in
should
second.
fly
But
in
congratulations to Josef Newgarden.
where you get to hear from Joseph.
The four-corner trophy is going home
Stick around for that.
to Josef
We'll be
Newgarden.
around the entire 2.5-mile speedway.
Thank you guys. This was a lot of fun. Peace out, guys. And I'll see you all on my next gaming upload or my next ride, whatever. But this was a great experience. Peace out, guys.
Hear from some of the other top finishers in the